Hello, I am Rahul. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through my solution and the design decisions behind it. I will start with the problem statement, then the architecture, demonstrate it running, and finish with the design choice I am most proud of. The assignment brief had one line, around which I built my entire system. That is, wrong but confident is worse than honestly empty. So I built a transformer that turns messy, conflicting candidate data from a recruiter CSV, an ATS export, free text notes, and GitHub into one canonical profile per person. Every value is traceable, every value is scored, and anything uncertain stays honestly empty. The core design is a clean split. One full internal canonical record and a stateless projection layer over it. So the same engine produces the default schema and any custom output too. There are 7 pipeline stages, one file each, so the design maps 1:1 to the code. There are 18 tests, all are passing, and they run on a clean machine in CI. So the repository carries a green test passing badge. Now let me run on the sample inputs. So I run it on the sample inputs. Please notice there is a deliberately broken JSON which was skipped with a warning. This means a missing or a garbage source will never crash the run. Now let us look at Robert Smith. He appeared in all the 4 sources and Union Find merged them into one person, linked by email, by name and phone, and by name and GitHub handle. A chain no single key could have closed. His phone appears once in E164 format. This is because I normalize before merging so that 2 formats corroborate each other instead of looking like a conflict. So let us look at Bob Smith also here. Please bear with me while I scroll. So here is Bob Smith. Same last name, but a different email and a different first name. So he stays as a separate person. Name alone never merges. So a wrong merge is the worst outcome. So I keep the matching strict and deterministic. So I would like to show you the skill section of Robert Smith. So this is the skill section of Robert Smith. So we can see that confidence is evidence-based. Here, Python scores, let me show you, Python scores 0.98, while React scores 0.25. This is because Python scores 0.98 because 3 sources agree on it, while React is 0.25 because it was inferred from a single sentence in the nodes. So honestly empty over wrongly confident, exactly as the brief asked. So weak signal can never override structured data. And let me show you the provenance array of Robert Smith. So this is a provenance array. The whole profile is explainable. Every value records the source and the method it came from. So let me show you the configurable output. So this is the configurable output. It is same engine and 0 code change. This config renames fields, normalizes the phone, and turns provenance off. The result is validated against a schema derived from the same config. And we can see here Bob, who is only in the CSV. So it comes back with a null phone because the config says on missing equals null. Now the design decision which I am most proud of is determinism. A test caught that experience ordering depended on input order. So I fixed it. So now identical inputs produce byte identical output on every run. So deterministic, explainable, and robust. This was my goal from the first line. Thanks for watching.